Okay, so here's a quick setup video for your HP LaserJet P4015 series. This one is fully loaded. That's going into the shipping department. Normally they're just going to come as your base model. Sometimes they'll come with just the 500 sheet tray, but they all come separately shipped. So you have to, you just have to put them together, and it's all plug and play. So they just snap in, and just the printer sets on top of this 500 sheet feeder. So when you get it, the base model will go on top of the 500 sheet tray, and it's just going to link in with these pins that I'm kind of pointing to here. It also has a locking mechanism that when you put the printer on top of it, you want to hit that locking mechanism so it locks it to the printer. You also need to unlock that if you ever want to separate it, but it's just by that switch. Connects back here, and that's just the plug and play. So it goes on real simple. You'll know when it's on and off, or if it's not on correctly, it'll visually show that. But just set it on top like so, and now you have the 500 sheet feeder there. Now we'll just show you how to put the duplex unit in. So the duplex unit just slides in here, and this is why we have this back unit off. You're going to need this right angle cord, which we're going to include with the printer. Sometimes you want to just plug that cord in before you plug the duplexer in. It's sometimes just easier to plug that in first. But you just take the duplexer like so, slide it in. Just make sure it's seated like so. And that's pretty much it. And all you're going to need to do from there is you'll have to plug in, once the printer's plugged in, get your guys to network the IP address and do whatever you need. And then you can set the trays up. I think you're just using it as high capacity printing, so you won't need to program the trays for anything. So that is it. Any questions, give us a call. 888-505-5004.